Good morning, kabayan! Invest in your dream farm living property now. Live surrounded by lush nature, fruit-bearing trees, and absolutely tranquility. This is your perfect opportunity to own your farm living property. Escape from the city, escape from the pollution. Ideal for doing home, vacation, retreat, and long-term investment. Ang location po natin ay sa Maragondon, Cavite, Pantihan 4. Ito po ay nestled in the heart of nature, away from the city noise, and accessible to major landmark. Peaceful and serene, an escape of the countryside while still being close to urban convenience. Property po, meron po tayong mga mango, coconut, banana at marami pa pong iba. Ang ating pong mga lote ay nagsisimula sa cut na 500 square meter to 2,124 square meter. Choose the perfect size for your needs. Okay, so investment rate nasa 1,600 po per square meter kapag cash payment, 1,900 per square meter installment plan. Ito po ay sa pre-selling stage pa lamang. Nasa pre-selling po kasi tayo at tinalandan po ngayon ang ating pong farm. Ano po ang exclusive perk and benefits? Free transfer of title, includes CGT, DST, transfer of tax, registration fees, etc. Big savings on your legal costs. Flexible payment option. Okay, 50% down payment to secure your property. Balance payable in 15 months at zero interest. At ang reservation po natin ay only 22,000 para po makakuha kayo ng slot. Okay, strategic location, landmark, and essential establishment. Okay, malapit lang po tayo sa Sky Ranch, malapit po tayo sa Maragondon Public Market, sa Tagaytay Medical Center, sa mga schools, elementary and high school, at sa aktibong Cavite East West Road. Ano pang hinihintay mo? Reserve mo na ang iyong dream farm today. Limited slot available only. For inquiries, call my number 0917-507-007. God bless po and happy buying.